Hi there, welcome to Skin Vitality Medical Clinic. If medical aesthetics ever feels overwhelming, you're not alone. We get it. There are so many treatments available, and figuring out what's right for your skin or body goals can be a challenge. So in this video, I'm walking through some of the most popular treatments we offer at Skin Vitality, what each one does, and how we help you decide what's best for you. Let's start with neuromodulators, also known as Botox and Dysport. These are used to soften expression lines by relaxing the muscles that cause wrinkles. We treat areas like the forehead, crow's feet, frown lines, and even the jawline or neck to smooth out tension and refine the overall profile. It's quick, effective, and a great place to start if your goal is soft, natural-looking rejuvenation. Next up, dermal fillers. These treatments restore lost volume and enhance facial structure losing hyaluronic acid. We use different types of fillers for different goals, like sculpting the jawline, contouring the cheeks, restoring under-eye volume, or enhancing the lips. Each product is tailored to the area being treated, and our goal is always balance, symmetry, and natural results. Unlike traditional filler, Sculptra is a biostimulator. It works by stimulating your body to produce more collagen, gradually rebuilding structure and firmness over time. We use it in the face to treat volume loss, and in the body, especially the buttocks, to improve shape, lift, and skin texture. It's perfect for those looking for progressive, long-term results without that filled look. Morpheus 8 combines microneedling with radiofrequency energy to treat skin laxity, texture, and fine lines. It works deep in the skin to stimulate collagen and improve tone without surgery. We use it on the face, neck, stomach, thighs, almost anywhere skin tightening or contouring is needed. This is a go-to for anyone seeing early signs of aging or wanting to improve firmness and texture. CoolSculpting is a non-surgical body contouring treatment that uses controlled cooling to freeze and eliminate stubborn fat cells. It's Health Canada approved and best for areas like the lower abdomen, flanks, thighs, and upper arms, anywhere that's been resistant to diet and exercise. There's no downtime, and results develop gradually over several weeks. We also offer regenerative treatments like PRP and exosome therapy, both used for hair restoration and skin rejuvenation. PRP uses your own plasma to stimulate natural healing and collagen production. Exosomes take it a step further, delivering powerful growth factors at the cellular level to repair and strengthen hair follicles and skin. They can be used alone or combined with microneedling or hair transplant recovery plans. If pigmentation, redness, or sun damage is a concern, we offer laser treatments like Lumecca IPL and Fraxel. These treatments target pigment, boost collagen, and improve overall tone and clarity, whether it's for melasma, acne scars, or texture. They're also amazing for evening out the complexion and restoring radiance, especially after the summer months. Photona 4D is one of our most advanced treatments. It uses 4 unique laser modes in one session to lift, firm, smooth, and tighten the face, including treatment inside the mouth to boost volume and plump nasolabial folds. It's a non-invasive option for full face rejuvenation, with no needles and minimal downtime. At the end of the day, no two faces or bodies are the same. That's why every treatment plan at Skin Vitality starts with a complimentary consultation and personal assessment, so we can match you with the options that are right for your goals, your skin, and your timeline. Whether you're brand new to aesthetics or ready to explore your next step, we're here to guide you through it with expert care, trusted results, and the support of a medical team that's helped over 200,000 patients across Ontario. Book your complimentary consultation and personal assessment today, and let's build a plan that's made for you.